so right.
I'm not too sure that's 42 miles per hour. Wobbly, oh, it's coming off the. They're not glued, y'all. The tires are not glued. Wow. Okay, let's go back in the shade. I'm not gonna run into you. I'm semi-pro now.
Oh.
I've earned my stripes. Oh, I see. Your tire. You got a flat tire, look. Because they don't come glued, I gotta put it back on for you. Hold on a second. That would have been really good to know before I took it out here.
Daddy,
or even went off-roading with it. Didn't have no problems on off-road, but...
Daddy, I have mine. Is this mine?
Yeah, that one's yours.
This is for my car?
Yeah, that one's for your car. Make sure they're all good. There you go. Woo! Ooh, that was nice. Thank you. Oh, you want a drag race, huh? Okay. On your mark. Get set. Go! Oh, you're in the lead. Oh. Ah.
No, got in there. Just drop there.
Yeah.
Let's try again, okay?
Okay, we gotta fix your back tire though. It look like it's wobbly. We gotta glue these tires.
Go back to wasting.
We gotta switch remotes.
Oh, what? This that one's yours,
Yeah.
and this one's mine.
There you go.
Thank you. Daddy, you pick it up.
Okay.
You pick it up if you want to open it. Like it was your daughter again.
Yes, ma'am.
Hey! I'm ready to go next to you. You're weird.
Okay. Do you want to switch?
No. You want me to have yours?
Oh, you can have yours. You got the yellow.
1, 2, 3, go!
Oh. Oh. Ah! I cheated.
Hey, Daddy! How about over there?
Okay.
How about?
It says 10 minutes of playtime, but it feels more like 15 already. Woo! Fun time is almost over.
Huh?
Actually, fun time is over. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, that was it. I don't even want to go no more.
There you go, right here.
Well, I'm done, girly girl. I have no more juice.